This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. Many people are watching this always feel that can we also do it? What are the skills that we require apart from the core technical skills?
Right.
So if you can share a little bit about that.
Yeah. Apart from the core technical
Yes,
skills.
the core technical skills I feel is a given, which is the most essential.
Yeah.
Everybody needs it.
Yeah.
I'm sure everyone watching it understands. But over and above that, to be really successful, what do you feel is needed?
I mentioned about agility.
Yes.
What I want to stress upon is discipline. Discipline cannot be disregarded. It's not just for your studies, for your work-life balance, for your health, mental health. Discipline is really important. I have seen a lot of people who have excellent knowledge in what they're doing. They open their mouth and you can tell that they have been studying their materials very well. But to apply and to have the discipline to deliver at that point of time is lacking these days. So I think the soft skill in terms of discipline is very, very important.
Yes. So I think discipline is something which whether it is terms of how you present or meeting deadlines and making sure that you are giving your best to your client or customer, whoever is there.
Yeah. And the second is being humble and courteous. This again is what I stress upon these days. You can get a client because of your knowledge. To maintain a client, you need to be courteous. You need to be humble. That cannot be disregarded. A lot of trend these days which I am seeing is they are very, very knowledgeable, but they are not courteous to maintain the clients because of the brand that they are in or the college they come from. So it's a fundamental that you need to have, courteousness and humbleness.
So since you're talking about courteousness, one of the questions which is coming to my mind is, since in a family office you are working with HNI clients and people are really successful in their respective fields, what are their expectations from a professional like you? So if you can tell us about that, what do they expect? What are they looking for?
Right. Like you mentioned, they've already been extremely successful in what they're doing and they want someone to give them comfortable services. First things, of course, you need to be at par with your knowledge. They will not take anything lesser than the best, right? So because they have been the best themselves, they have seen so many people out there. There's so much competition out there in terms of a particular service. You need to be at par, if not above, the service providers there. First thing is your knowledge. Second is how to speak and please the client that you have, to maintain the client that you have, which is where I came about with the humbleness and courteousness, because they have been exposed globally.
Yes.
They know who is who and they can see through your, if not fakeism, if I say that.
Yes.
So you need to know your stuff first, and second, to behave with them. Not just with them. If you're behaving something else with them, with someone else, they observe, right? It's not just them. Everybody for that matter. So it really helps that way. Yes.
And like you said, they can see through you because they've met hundreds of people from different backgrounds and more often than not, even they've come from different challenges. Especially the newer rich who have come from literally zero and they would have made it really big. And I'm sure your tips will help everyone who is watching now.